Hello my jewels and welcome to my channel. I am Carol Blackgold and on this channel we discuss fashion, wellness and life. We're over 40 and we're fabulous. Guess what? This is my first YouTube video ever. Yay! I'm so happy, afraid, and all those emotions. I just pray for your support. But listen, over the last 10 months, I was able to lose 30 pounds through diet and exercise. However, I do not yet possess the budget to upgrade my wardrobe. So you know what? Today I'm going to teach you a trick that I learned. Come closer. Belts. Yes, you heard me, belts. We are going to take this frumpy dress that's about 3 sizes too big for me and use belts to make it look fabulous. Now historically, belts were sort of a utility item used to hold up pants or they were used to carry tools on them. But then, you know what? The fashion world got a hold of them and now we can create outfits just using a belt as an accent piece. And today, 5 belts are gonna take this big dress that I still love, that I paid $10 for at Rainbow on Fulton Street in New York, and we're gonna make them fabulous. Belt number 1. Now I know you have seen all the fashion girls wearing this belt. Well, not this belt, of course, the $800 version of this belt. But guess what? As I said, we're on a budget. I paid $16 for this belt on AliExpress. And you see what it did? It cinched the waist. So all the extra fabric that was on the side of the dress, the belt was able to cinch in the fabric, give me an actual waistline. Actually, I carried my waistline a bit higher. But because the belt itself has character, it made it into something totally fantastic. So we're all dressed up. What are we going to do? Are we going to the nightclub? Do we still go to the nightclub at our age? You know, but we are ready for brunch. We are ready for a date. All we did was buy a $16 belt off AliExpress and took our old rainbow $10 dress to a new level. How did I do, ladies? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Yes, ladies. So we did the broad belt. Now I'm showing you how a skinny belt could have a similar effect in cinching the waist. Remember, we're not using actual waistline. We're going a little bit higher up and using that smallest part of your waist in order to get the effect. I used a much thinner belt. I bought this belt for $3.50 on Shein. And look at me now. I'm still in my 3 sizes too large dress, but I have given it a look that I'm ready to go anywhere with, to the office, anywhere. I'm now ready because my dress looks like it fits me and not like I'm wearing a sack. What do you think? How did I do? Belt number 3. I promise this video is not sponsored by Shein, but once again, I'm wearing a Shein belt. And this time, I paid what? How much you ask? $3. It's a clear belt accented with some gold to give it a little character. It actually does give the belt a different look in that it's clear, so you're able to see the fabric through the belt, and then there's the accent of the gold. This time, I went closer to my actual waist. And you see, I had to tuck some of the fabric to the side, and I actually created a bit of a style with pulling the fabric to the side. I'm still in my 3 size oversized dress. Remember that? Here I am making it once again look stylish. What do you think? Here I am in what's probably the most traditional Obi belt of them all, that our mothers and our grandmothers would always tell you, you need one of these in your wardrobe. I'm wearing an obi belt, I'm wearing black pumps to go along with the belt and some additional vroom to the belt and the outfit. And you know, I changed up my hair a bit. And this now, I could then add a jacket. This is the type of outfit that could now take you to the boardroom. You sit, you have your meeting in your oversized dress that no one knows, and they're like, oh, you look so fabulous, not knowing that you have a belt and probably some pins holding it all together and keeping you intact while you pull off your corporate look. Come on, you gotta give me some points to do it good. Did somebody say party? Did someone say party? Again, I am not sponsored by Shein, but I bought this skirt belt on Shein. I think it was $10. Look at the transformation. This is a, tell me this is not a different outfit. I completely turned it around and switched it over and flipped it and reversed it. You know, my over 40s. Are we ready to go shake our tail feathers? Is that still a thing? I don't know, but we're ready to party. We need to go somewhere. We need to be chilling, sisters, because this is definitely not a stay-at-home outfit. Listen, the country is opening back up. Soon we will be out and we'll be on boat rides. We'll be fetting. To my non-Trini people, hey, I'll teach you what fetting is all about. And an outfit like this is gonna take us anywhere. What do you think? Did I do it with this belt? And there you have it, my jewel. 5 ways to wear your outfit after weight loss using belt. Which one was your favorite? This was definitely mine. As a Trini, we know how to party, and we know when we start how this dress is gonna move with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, press the notification bell so that you'll be informed each time I put up a similar video. Share this video with your friends and family and become part of the Black Gold family. See you in the next one. Bye.